Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to plant some geraniums. If you've been following with me, we had overwintered these. Today we're going to get them into some dirt so we can start them again. So the first thing that we need to do is cut off anything that didn't make it through the winter. So let's start with one plant. Come on over here. Now what we're going to look for, this is a green stem, so this is good. This stem has some green on it as well, but here we're going to want to cut that part off because it's wrinkled and not any good anymore. We're also going to want to take off any of the dead stems. If you can hear it outside, it's raining pretty hard. March is certainly in like a lion. We want to take off anything that seems to be withered and dying. This way the plant can put its energy into the new growth. So it may not look like much now, but this is going to be a good plant. Let's clean up a little bit. We're going to add some mix to this big container. This stuff's pretty dry yet, but we'll water it down and it'll do great. Let's add some water. And let that drain out. One down, a bunch more to go. So we should be able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new plants out of that. Some people will plant these in smaller containers. I'm just going to plant it in the large container that's going to house them over the summer.
If you like this video, please consider a like, a subscribe, or comment.
Now all we need to do is put them in the sunny window.
Before we head over to the window, let's water them in a bit.
And here they are in the window. This is the basement window. We're going to harden them off out there. We do have a grow light. It's an LED. Here's my fig. Gonna see how that goes. Hey, if you've got any tips on growing figs, I'd love to hear about it.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.